The compact Subaru Forester offers practicality and capability in an economical package, and in quite a few variations. The full-time four-wheel drive crossover has a choice of two different four-cylinder engines, one turbocharged, manual or automatic transmissions, and 6 different trim levels. We checked out a model with the normally aspirated engine and continuously variable automatic transmission. The engine displaces 2.5 liters and puts out 170 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque. We found smooth, quiet, good overall performance with the setup and fuel mileage of right around 25 miles per gallon. Subaru gives the Forester a 1,500 pound tow rating. The Forester's handling is accurate and sporting, with sure-footed responses regardless of the surface, making it good fun to drive in a variety of situations. The ride is firm but not objectionable for the size and type of vehicle. Good ground clearance, short overhangs, and a solid-feeling structure allow the Forester to feel quite at home on rugged terrain, though of course it's not meant for serious off-road excursions. Given the modest exterior dimensions, we were pleasantly surprised to find very spacious front seat accommodations, along with good room in the rear seat and cargo area. Our nicely equipped tester, while not overly luxurious, proved to be a comfortable, enjoyable place to spend time. The controls are straightforward and easy to use, further adding to the Forester's likability. Base pricing for the Forester starts at just over $22,000 and ranges up to just over $33,000 for a top-level turbo model. Our tester's sticker was about halfway between the two. The Subaru Forester offers driving fun in all kinds of conditions, good space and comfort inside for a compact vehicle, good fuel mileage, and a good value. All things that should put it squarely into your shopping considerations, so check it out.